Hello, little one. This is your safe space. Here, every feeling is welcome, and every try counts. Maybe today something didn't go the way you hoped. Maybe a block tower fell. A word felt tricky. A drawing looked different from your idea, or a game didn't end in a win. It's okay to feel upset, disappointed, tired, or even a little mad. Place one hand on your heart. Feel it? Thump, thump. That's your courage drum. It's always with you. Take a slow breath in and out. Here, we learn a powerful truth. You can try again. Not because you must be perfect, no one is, but because every try grows your brain, your heart, and your confidence. Say it with me. I can try again. Every try helps me learn. It's okay to feel big feelings when things don't work the first time. Feelings are messages, not problems. When you feel stormy inside, you can breathe like this. Smell a flower, blow a candle. Again, smell a flower, blow a candle. Sometimes your brain might say, if I can't do it now, maybe I'll never do it. But that's not true. Brains grow with practice. Each try is like a tiny bridge from I can't do it yet to I can do it soon. Repeat after me. My feelings are real and safe. I can pause, breathe, and begin again. I am not my mistakes. I am a learner. Imagine a tiny seed. It doesn't become a tree in one day. It drinks water, feels the sun, grows little roots, tries again after the wind. That seed is you. When you practice, your brain makes stronger pathways. Mistakes are teachers that say, here's the next step. Say it with me. Mistakes help me learn. Each try is a new chance. I can breathe, reset, and begin again. When you feel sad about a mistake, remember 3 gentle steps. First, say, this is a hard moment. Then remind yourself, everyone makes mistakes. I'm not alone. And finally whisper, may I be kind to myself as I learn. Say these words with me. I talk to myself like a good friend. Everyone is learning just like me. I can rest, then try again. Let's make a calm kit. A soft object to squeeze, a breathing card, you can try again note, and a tiny hourglass. When you feel stormy, use your calm kit. Breathe in for 4, hold for 2, out for 4. Roll your shoulders slowly, shake your hands like raindrops. Look at one cozy spot in the room and take 3 breaths. Repeat with me. I can calm my body. When my body calms, my brain can learn. Now let's build ladder steps. Choose a goal and make 3 tiny steps. Step 1, practice for 3 minutes. Step 2, try a new strategy. Step 3, show what you learned to someone you trust. Every small success tells your brain, I can do hard things. Say these words. Each small step builds my brave brain. I learn by doing, watching, and listening. When big feelings visit, we can use 5 steps. Notice, I see big feelings. Name, this is frustration. Validate, it makes sense to feel that. Guide, let's breathe. What's one tiny next step? And then celebrate. You tried again. That's brave. Say it with me. My feelings can be coached with love. I can choose one tiny next step. Let's play the stretch game. Choose something a little challenging, but not too hard. Set a short timer. If it feels tough, take one breath. Try once more, then take a mini break. Little stretches grow your patience muscles. Say this, I can handle a little stretch. Breaks help me try again. Here's a story. There was a child named Soul who loved puzzles. One day, a tricky piece wouldn't fit. Soul felt stormy inside. "I'll never do it," said the storm. Soul's parent knelt and whispered, "Your feelings are real. Let's breathe. One tiny step. Try turning the piece." Soul turned it. Click! Not finished yet, but that click was a courage spark. The next day, another click, and another. Soul learned that the bridge to finishing is made of many little clicks, and each click is a try again. Say it with me. Each click is a try. Each try builds my bridge. Let's make a try again routine. In the morning, today I will try one new thing. In the afternoon, what did I learn from a mistake? At night, one proud moment and one tiny next step. Whisper this before bed. I can try again tomorrow. My effort today matters. And remember, if trying again feels too hard, it doesn't mean you failed. It just means you need more rest, more help, or smaller steps. You are not alone. Hand on your heart again. Feel your courage drum. You tried today, maybe with breathing, maybe with one more step, maybe with a kind word to yourself. That is real bravery. Say it with me. I can try again. I grow with every try. I am kind to myself as I learn. Some days are easy, some days are stormy, but your light, your calm, your kindness, your courage goes with you everywhere. When you feel ready, you can try again, and again, and again. Each try is a seed. Each seed is a future tree. Say this gently. I can try again. I am learning. I am growing. I am enough.